Hello everyone, I'm Jeremy M. Bisaya. In today's lesson, I will discuss the topic differentiates linear inequalities in two variables from linear equations in two variables. So, our learning objectives is at the end of this lesson, the students should be able to differentiate between a linear equation and a linear inequality in two variables. So, equations and inequalities are two of the most commonly used terms in mathematics. An equation is a mathematical sentence which shows that two quantities have the same or equal values. It uses the equal sign to show this relationship. Thus, the linear equation can be written in the form ax plus by is equal to c. On the other hand, an inequality is a mathematical sentence which shows that two quantities may have different or unequal values. It uses the symbols greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than and equal to, and not equal to show this relationship. When we say linear inequalities, it is written in different forms. So, those forms are ax plus by is greater than c, ax plus by is less than c, ax plus by is greater than and equal to c, and ax plus by is less than or equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, but both a and b are not equal to 0. There are similarities between linear equation and linear inequality in two variables. First, both have two variables of first degree or the degree 1. Second, both can be graphed on a Cartesian plane, and their solutions can be expressed as an ordered pair x and y. So now let's proceed to the activity 1. Tell whether the following is a linear inequalities in two variables or not. So number 1, x plus 3y is equal to 8. It is not a linear inequality since there is an equal sign, meaning it is a linear equation. Second, 8y minus 7x is greater than negative 13 is a linear inequality since we have x and y and the symbol that we used is greater than, so that meaning it is a linear inequalities. Next is 6x squared minus 2y is less than or equal to 7 is not a linear inequalities. Since although they used the symbol less than or equal to, but take note that we have the 2 as the exponent, and when we say linear, it is a first degree equation. And next, 3y is less than 8 is also not a linear inequality. Take note that the linear inequality consists of two variables. Thus, we cannot consider this as a linear inequality in two variables. Last is y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 7 is a linear inequalities. So since it has two variables and we use the symbol greater than or equal to. And now let's proceed to the solutions to linear inequalities in two variables. So how do we say that the given points is a solution to the given linear inequality? So when we say solution, it is an ordered pair x and y that produce a true statement when the value of x and y are substituted into the inequality. So in this activity, we have given the inequality 2x plus 3y greater than 1. So now, tell whether the following points are solutions to the given inequality. So given the following points, this one, all you have to do is to substitute And now let's have the number 1. Given the inequality 2x plus 3y is greater than 1, and let's substitute, we all know that our x is 1 and our y is 2. So let's substitute 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2 is greater than 1. So now let's simplify. 2 plus 6 is greater than 1 and 8 is greater than 1. So this statement is automatically true. Next, given the inequality 2x plus 3y is greater than 1 and our x is 3 and y is 0. So now let's substitute. 2 times 3 plus 3 times 0 is greater than 1. Then simplify. 6 plus 0 is greater than 1 and 6 is greater than 1. So this statement also is automatically true. Lastly, given our inequality 2x plus 3y is greater than 1 and our x is negative 4 and y is negative 1. So now let's substitute. 2 times negative 4 plus 3 times negative 1 is greater than 1. And now let's simplify. Negative 8 plus negative 3 is greater than 1. Then negative 11 is greater than 1. So we see that this statement is false, meaning the ordered pair negative 4 and negative 1 is not a solution to our given inequality, which is 2x plus 3y is greater than 1. So that's all. Thank you for listening. God bless.